In this lesson, we'll pursue the following objectives. By the end, you should be able to define managerial accounting, identify and distinguish between the different roles of managerial accounting, and identify example decisions and uses of managerial accounting in our G&G landscape setting. Now, when you hear the word accounting, you're actually thinking about quite a broad umbrella. There are a lot of different subdisciplines and areas of accounting. The first that comes to mind often is financial accounting. Financial accounting has to do with the creation of financial statements by an organization and the provision of those financial statements to users inside and outside of the firm. There's a very large industry that deals with providing assurance services and auditing of those financial statements so that the users of that information are protected and that the auditors and assurance providers are saying that the statements fairly represent the state of the firm. Of course, you can think about the world of tax, and that, no matter where you live, is a certainty. Inside of accounting, tax is a very large component that has to do with how people pay taxes, how much, when, and under what rules. And over the last couple of decades, the world of forensic accounting has expanded. Especially as we've seen large instances of fraud, forensic accounting helps to identify and prevent those different types of fraud to protect users of the financial statements. In this course, we're focusing on a different discipline, and that is the one referred to as managerial accounting. We're focused on the accounting practices that take place inside of the organization. Now, in many situations, you've heard the word cost accounting, and for the purposes of our course, we'll think about cost accounting as a subcomponent of the broader managerial accounting. Now, let's try and define the notion of managerial accounting. That's pretty tough to do because in itself, it's a very large area. But if I had to sum it up in one sentence, I would describe managerial accounting as the process of obtaining, creating, and analyzing relevant information to help achieve organizational goals. Now, that's pretty broad and pretty abstract. So next, we'll turn to some new ideas to help expand our definition.